Bear and Quackers. Coronavirus shuts down Disney World. Universal closed. SeaWorld closed. Legoland closed. So we're gonna go to the beach today and have fun over there.
Yes, because we are both shut down this week. He has to report to work for one day, and then I'm off all week, and we're waiting to find out about next week. It's pretty much a day-by-day case. Like, we don't really know what's going on tomorrow. We don't know what's going on today, except that we're going to the beach, and it's pretty crazy. This is unheard of for Disney to shut down for more than a day, and the fact that it's 2 weeks it's pretty wild. And a lot of people are sharing the same, like, why? And we're just as confused as everybody else. So, what beach are we going to?
I'm not confused. Well, I mean, I am confused about what beach we're going to. I thought we were going to the coast. We're going to
we have
Gulf?
Yeah.
Yeah,
we haven't been to the Gulf. And actually, my dad is a huge beach fan, and I think it kills his soul a little bit that we've only been one day since we moved here way back in October. Almost 6 months now since we moved, and we don't go to the beaches. We go to the theme parks. Now the theme parks are shut down. I guess we have to go to the beaches until those are shut down too. And after that, we live out in the boonies, so there's not going to be much to do except play with the snakes and geckos.
Oh yeah, I'll do a snake video.
Yeah, we got snakes at our house. So
maybe.
Yeah, but that's what we're doing today. Not much. I don't know. It is nice having him. So for those of you that don't know, he was gone at a Marine Corps retreat summer camp thing.
There's a video of it.
Yeah, there will be a video of it. I'm not sure if the video will be posted by the time you guys see this, but Quackers went to summer camp with all of his guys, and the stories he came back with pretty much were exactly what I expected. Like, oh, we went down the slides backwards, and I got rug burn on a rock, and stuff like that. But there was like leather making. Overall, it was a lot better than the itinerary made it seem. So thank you to Semper Fi Fund for taking my husband for a few days. When he came back, he was calling me dude. So if any of you guys want him back,
my bad.
He's available for the next few weeks. All right, Quackers, what's going on?
So we are over here in St. Petersburg. We're like 15 minutes from the beach,
yeah.
And we've been driving through neighborhoods, like housing neighborhoods, and it has been so long since we've seen just a basic neighborhood and not an apartment complex or farmhouses that it's kind of shocking that there's actual homes here in Florida. Now, if you get rid of the palm trees and the tropical plants and everything, it is reminding us of streets back home.
Yeah, so if you're back home and one of our followers, this is kind of like Mission, by Gonzaga.
Gonzaga, coming out of the Hilliard area.
But it's just so weird to us seeing homes.
Homes lined on.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a pretty busy street anyways. I mean, I'm doing 40 out here. I don't really know what the speed limit. Oh, it is 40.
I think it's kind of like a reality check. Like, oh yeah, we've just been so immersed in theme parks, which makes sense because we also work there, so we're going to be there a lot. But yeah, this looks just like Spokane, and it's kind of funny that there's other places that remind us of back home with better weather. And beaches.
Yeah, and beaches, yeah. So we're on our way to the beach right now, but we just wanted to film and kind of show you guys a quick look around at what we were seeing here. But yeah, it's like there's actual homes here.
Yeah.
Kind of crazy that we're actually in a neighborhood that could be off of like Rowan or Maxwell or something.
Well, and we're also kind of looking at other places to move. I know currently we work for Disney. A lot of that could be up in the air, but especially after I graduate from school, we don't have to stay right by Disney. So it's kind of cool to see other cities and explore around Central Florida. I think that we've pretty much agreed that we want to stay central. We like Central Florida.
Oh, sure.
Sure. Disney's in Central Florida. Harry Potter World. It's a lot of fun.
It's called Universal.
Harry Potter World. There's nothing else noteworthy at Universal, guys. It's okay. But yeah, so we don't really know where the next couple years will bring us, but we'll see. Here's Noah in the back. What are you saying? Quick update on Noah, for those that don't know. He is walking and running and chatting a little bit. I'll just keep the camera right here because he'll start again. He's saying words like dada, he calls me ma, and then he can say bubble, and I'm pretty sure he said what the other day. But yeah, he's very sassy and super cute. And he's very funny, so I'm sure we'll have more footage of him on the beach. And there's yelling dada behind me again. All right, we'll see you on the beach. We're at Treasure Island.
We're gonna go find a spot on the beach. No, I was expecting there to be way more people actually.
There's people on
I mean, there's people everywhere.
This is our first time at the Gulf.
Yeah,
And
nice
the water
day.
is gorgeous.
Couple of clouds.
Yeah,
But we're gonna go walk to the beach and see if we can find a spot to set up. So we'll catch up with you in just a minute. So we found a place here. Bear's getting Pooks out of the backpack, and then my folks got a thing for the beach, so we're going to attempt to set that up. We've never set it up before, but it's a little shelter thing. So we'll see you in just a minute once we get that all set up. Alright, so this is the final product of our tent here, and it's definitely a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I put everything, all of our towels and stuff that we had stretched out here inside, but we're going to head down to the water here and see what Bear and Pookums are up to. Say hi, YouTube. Say, I'm in the Gulf of Mexico. Where are you at? Comment below where you're at.
probably the furthest I've ever been in an ocean.
Oh, you can walk clear out there.
I know, but I'm just like, this is freaking me out. There's fish swimming around us.
Where?
There, if you go stand up there for a little and not disturb over here, you can see the, like right where the bank drops right here.
Oh. So we're gonna play in the water. I'll take some pics and post them here. No, what are you doing? So we're burying Pookums in the sand here.
Where is it? This is just literally so soft. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
It's so soft. From Oregon and Washington, we have like, and it's like really rocky beaches.
We have some beaches that are like this though.
No.
Yes. Not many, but we do have some.
No, we don't. But you know, if we're gonna be on lockdown, this is like a cool place to do it.
Is that your day at the beach? Yeah.
We need like a snow cone after this.
A snow cone? I just set up the tent. Our lovely tent sitting over there.
After like 6 o'clock.
Oh, when we have to move the car? Yeah. We got parking for just a couple hours. But we'll go explore and see where we end up for the rest of the day.
Hopefully home.
Hopefully home. It's the end goal, right? So I got Pookums and Bear buried in the sand here. Where's your feet? Do you have feet?
Go get Daddy.
Noah, come here.
His feet are wiggling.
Somebody's foot's over here.
That's mine.
And I don't think it's Noah's. You can see the crack there. It's gonna be just 10 minutes of him sitting there screaming.
Oh, are you getting out? Ready? Go. Oh my gosh, I can't even get out. He's so heavy.
Now you gotta go wash off.
Where are you? Yay! That was you.
It's about dead, so.
So you better hurry and film.
Oh, are you filming?
It's going.
Oh. Alright, so we just got back from the beach. We drove a little ways, but we're gonna stop, get some dinner, and head on home.
CC's.
So we'll catch you next time on Bear and Quackers.
Look at that hair.
Say bye, guys.
Say bye.